Hello guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. In this video, I will show you the specifications of Nokia keypad phone. Please don't skip the video. Let's start the video. I will show you the specifications of Nokia keypad phone and features, and this keypad is so looking nice. This is Nokia 2660 Flip keypad phone. Let's discuss the specifications of Nokia keypad phone. This phone has 7.1 centimeters internal screen and 4.5 centimeters external screen. This phone has extra large buttons with backlight is available. Long-lasting battery 1450 mAh. This phone has long life. Loud sounds is available. Dual 4G VoLTE is available. VGA camera with flash is available, Bluetooth is available, memory card, FM radio and game is available, everything is available. I'm going to unboxing the box. This is Nokia battery. This is so small. This charger has USB Type B. I put the battery in the phone. Successful on. This phone is working properly. I can't believe it. Ha 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 ha. Is this keypad phone is good for you? Yes, of course, but this keypad phone is so good, but I recommend that you are a student then. You should to buy the keypad phone right now, because this smart keypad has not available the social media platforms. That why reason behind the student shout to the buy smart keypad phone. So there is one question for you. Is Nokia 2660 Flip hotspot available? No, because this feature phone typically do not have hotspot capabilities. Please share this video right now.